Okay, I'm here with
Elizabeth
and Al, and you guys are going to tell me about in CRM 2011 they've now switched and added field level security.
Indeed.
Okay. And this is different from CRM 4. So why are you guys doing that right now? You're implementing it somewhere?
We are. We have a requirement to have a few fields on a given record that are only readable or editable by certain people within the organization.
Now you could do this before with CRM 4, couldn't you?
Yeah, for sure you could, and but it would have meant an awful lot of script and an awful lot of behind the scenes code.
But now JavaScript is going to slow down page loads, aren't it? For form loading.
Yeah,
okay.
It could have all that effect, but the biggest, obviously, impact is time and money.
Okay. So what was the requirement for the field level security?
Oh, well, you know, just that we had certain users that we wanted to be able to edit specific fields on a given record.
Okay.
And so we wanted to try that out with 2011 out of the box.
Right.
And so we did.
Okay. And it's available on... That's great. And it's available, the field level security is available on any field, or am I limited on the fields I can give it on?
No, it's available on any field.
Okay.
And it's just a setting that you set when you're configuring each attribute.
Oh, okay.
So you tick a box, and then a few more things you have to set up.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'd heard about it previously, but before yesterday, I hadn't really gone into it in any great detail. And to be honest, within half an hour we had all our requirements up and running.
So what do I do now? I just go into the attributes for the field, I tick it and say I want it to be field level security, and then do I pick the security groups that can...
Well, now there's an issue, I think.
Okay.
It's not linked to a security group, right?
Correct. So you have to save and publish the fact that you want a given field to be have field level security.
Right.
And then the system automatically adds that field into what they're calling field security profiles.
So when you go into your security settings, then you can set it.
Yeah. So we had to, your two choices from there are implement using teams, in CRM teams, or to add individual users. Individual users is not really flexible enough. It may be flexible for smaller organisations, but for larger organisations, you'd constantly be moving and adding users.
If you're using Teams for a different bit of functionality right now, then all of a sudden you're going to have to revisit all the team setup you have. Is that true?
Yeah, but that's okay. I think most people are used to that kind of stuff, but it would have been much nicer to work with the security group. Yeah. Because then they're managing, if they've got a user who moves department, they just move them security group wise. But the way that I see it as right now is that you'd have to move their security group potentially and also their team.
Right.
And certainly that's the way that we've configured our setup.
Okay. Anything else interesting people should know about CRM level, field level security?
Overall, it's really easy to set up and pretty awesome to get going. And I don't know, how long did it take us?
Yep. I don't know, half an hour maybe.
Yeah. And sure better than what it was before in CRM 4.
Yeah, no scripts.
No scripts.
Kind of cool, and it looks really great as well with the when it's hiding fields, it's grays them out and asterisks them.
Okay. Hey, great guys. So tell me, where can people find you on the web? Elizabeth, where do people find you?
I'm at elounsbury at knowledgetech.com.
Okay. And Al?
Alan at ashton9tsolutions.com.
And you're also at Knowledge Tech?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Talk to you soon.